In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Facebook and Instagram on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable block in place so you can stay focused without constantly checking your feeds. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. We're going to use a trusted browser extension from the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for add-ons. In the address bar, search for Chrome Web Store, then open the official result. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Chrome logo and a clean Google-style layout. Once you're in the store, look for the search box at the top left and type Block Site. This will bring up several website blocker extensions. Take a moment to scan the options and pick one you're comfortable with. Check the star rating, number of reviews, and the description to make sure it's well supported. I'll use a popular option called Block Site as an example, but any reputable blocker with similar features will work. Click Add to Chrome on the extensions page. Chrome will show a small pop-up explaining the permissions it needs. These are necessary so the extension can see which websites you're on and block them when needed. Click Add Extension to confirm. After a brief download, you'll see a confirmation and the extension will be installed. If you don't see its icon right away, click the Puzzle Piece Extensions button in the top right to find it. Pinning it is optional, but it makes access easier. Open the Block Site extension. In its interface, look for the option to add sites to your block list. Click Add to Block List, then go to the Websites section. Here, choose or type the sites you want to block. Add Facebook.com and Instagram.com. Then click the plus icon to confirm each one. When both are listed, click Done to save your changes. Now it's time to test. Try opening Facebook or Instagram in a new tab. You should see a block page or a message from the extension indicating the site is restricted. If it loads, double-check that you added the base domains correctly and that the extension is enabled. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. These blocks apply to the Chrome profile where you installed the extension, so other browsers or profiles won't be affected. Many blockers also offer extras like scheduling or password protection. Use those if you want stricter control, but they're optional. That's it. You opened Chrome, installed a blocker from the web store, added Facebook and Instagram to the block list, and confirmed they're blocked. Stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one.